Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can add text to our CapCut project. Let's get started. Here I have created a CapCut project and we're going to add text to this project. So the first thing we have to do is click on text button right here and just tap on add text and enter the text that you want to add to your video, and you can enter the text right here. For example, I'm going to type dark forest. And after that, we can customize the font. We can choose the font that we like. And for me, I'm just going to click on this font. And we can also change the style of the text. We can click on style option right here and choose the style that you like. And for example, I'm going to choose this one. Just tap on the style. And after that, we can click on this check mark button. And alright, and we can adjust the length. We can make this text align with the video, and we can drag it to the right like this. And we can also zoom in or zoom out. You just have to click on the text and start to zoom in or zoom out. And you can place the text to the part of the video that you want, and you can tap and hold and drag the text like this. Alright, and let's take a look at the result, guys. Let's play the video. Okay guys, and that's how we can add text to our project in CapCut. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.